In this video, we're going to show you how to find the patients who never came back. Patients you have already won once are the easiest ones to win again. Let's start on your home page. Open the CRM menu along the top and choose Lost to Follow Up. This page answers one simple question. Who did we treat, who then never came back? First, choose what they were seen for. Let's look at rhinoplasty consultations. Next, decide what counts as coming back. Any appointment at all, the very same treatment, or a set of treatments that you choose. Then set how far back to look. We will go right back to the start of 2024 and run it. Straight away you can see how many patients you saw, how many came back, and how many are lost, along with the money those lost patients had already spent with you. Below that is every lost patient, sorted by spend, so your most valuable people sit right at the top of the list. Now the useful part. You can write one friendly message and send it to the whole group at once. Tick anyone you would rather not contact. And notice this line. It only ever emails patients who have agreed to marketing, so you stay on the right side of the rules. One click here, and every one of them gets a personal recall. There's also a big picture view, inside Analysis Central. The same controls sit across the top, and they remember your choices for next time. What they were seen for, what counts as a return, and the dates. This bar shows you where a group went. Back for the same treatment, back for something different, or gone completely. And this shows which of your treatments hold on to patients and which quietly lose them, so you know exactly where to focus. So, to win back the patients who slipped away, open the CRM menu and Lost to Follow Up. Choose a treatment, see who is gone and what they were worth, then recall the whole group in a single consent-safe message.